All right, so on this episode, I have been talking about this for 8 months. I've had the parts, I think. We're finally doing the oval exhaust. I bought some more because after doing some measurements last weekend, I didn't have enough. So here we go. I'm finally gonna do it. I have my buddy Cody coming over to help, and I finally got my belt sander how I want it, so I can start doing the pie cuts and TIG weld it all real nice and, you know, just make it pretty and fancy. So after this, all we gotta do is fluid check. I'm changing pretty much every fluid in the vehicle. I gotta drain the antifreeze out of it and put water wetter and water in it because Drift Indy doesn't allow antifreeze. Most tracks don't. I just did it for the winter. And yeah, so let's get to it. And all right, so you heard it run. It's loud, really loud. I'm pretty happy about it. It does definitely sound more like a race car.
I felt like I was on a spaceship, and I'm not sure what to do with my hands.
Yeah, the oval exhaust really does add a, I'm trying to think of the word. It definitely adds a droniness to it that I wasn't really expecting. not a huge fan of that, but I don't hate the way it sounds at all. So overall, I'm really happy with how it sounds. I'm also really happy that it's nowhere near the ground. Like, it's completely tucked up. There's no rattling. I just drove it up and down the street. So all that's good. Tranny feels fantastic. First time I've been driving it. It actually doesn't have any grinds or nothing, which the last one, sixth gear grinded. And then the one before that, fifth gear grinded. So I've just had some fifth and sixth gear issues. Other than that, we got all the fluids changed, everything. I mean, so we got royal purple in the diff. We got Redline in the transmission and in the radiator. And then Mobil 1 with the engine. So everything seems really good. Everything feels healthy. The car feels healthy. Next part is just getting the bumper on. I got to put a couple little lights in the front that are blown out, little 194s, just because I do street drive this. And then I'm going to start driving it tomorrow. As long as the weather pending, I'm going to drive it around tomorrow a little bit and kind of just cruise around, maybe go say hi to somebody, just to get the car driven. It has not been driven in a long time, and I really want to drive it. It's been 9 months, other than at the track, obviously. So we're going to get to it. I really appreciate you guys checking out the videos. The last video really popped off, and I'm really happy about that. So I'm hoping this video does really well too. You guys seem to really like my car and all the different things I do to it. Please like, subscribe, and I'll catch you on the next one, guys. Peace.